So right here we have our wheel coating kit. This is everything you'll need to apply a brand new ceramic coating to your wheels. It's become a pretty normal thing to apply ceramic coating to your paint, so it makes sense that we would also do it for wheels. Now, wheel coatings have come a long way in the past few years, from something that would only last a couple of months at best to things like Armor wheel coating that can really last a couple of years if maintained properly. So starting with the coating itself, this is Armor wheel coating. We used to use CarPro's Deluxe and Gliss, which were two separate coatings that had to be layered on top of each other. We found that the performance of Armor wheel coating is very good. It's comparable to that double layer coating, and it's a lot easier to apply with just one coating in one layer. We also found that it holds up really well to the heat and stresses that you'll find on your wheels, so if properly maintained and topped with a drying aid or something like that, you'll find that this coating can actually last a couple of years. Of course, to apply this coating, you're going to need an applicator block as well as some suede applicator pads. I don't find that I always use this applicator block. Sometimes I'll just use the pads themselves and kind of wipe them over the spokes of the wheels. Obviously, we've included some eraser as well as your pre-coating spray or prep spray. If you're polishing, you can also use this as a polish removal spray. And then your towels, of course, we included 2 of the wax and sealant towels. So these are your high pile for removing the bulk of the coating, and then 2 of these coating removal towels, which are the low pile leveling towels. So usually you'd go over with the high pile, get the bulk of the coating off, come back with the low pile and buff it down and ensure there are no high spots. So there you have it. Whether you've already applied ceramic coatings before or this is something new to you that you're just looking to get into, this is a kit that will serve you very well for that purpose. Ceramic coating your wheels is nothing to be intimidated by. Just take it slow, watch a couple videos. We have a couple videos on how to do it, and if you're looking to maintain your wheels, check out some of the other packages we offer for that as well. And as always, if you have any questions about coating your wheels or anything else, feel free to reach out and let us know in the comments or directly at support@obsessedgarage.com.